He is a hypocritical piece of garbage. According to reports, Matt Damon accepted payment in dollars rather than cryptocurrency to promote cryptocurrency and then distances himself after the crash. Stay tuned. What's going on, everyone, and welcome to a new style of video here at Nerdy Dude Stuff. With our schedule being so hectic and crazy, we are trying to find new ways to bring you guys content, especially content that we can create over a length of time versus our one and done style of video. So I hope you guys enjoy these new style of video news updates, a little bit of fun we're going to have here on the channel just to consistently bring you guys content. With all that said, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video if you want to see more. Who is Matt Damon? American actor, producer, and screenwriter Matthew Page Damon is 51 years old. He is one of Forbes' most bankable stars, and the movies in which he has acted have earned him money and acclaim all around the world, making him one of the actors with the greatest lifetime earnings. The actor has appeared in films with characters from a variety of genres, covering every possible angle. As a result, Matt Damon enjoys a huge following of devoted fans and is adored and applauded by people all over the world. Matt Damon has recently been in the spotlight of controversy, with individuals making fun of the well-known actor for his dishonest behavior off camera. Fortune favors the brave. An advertisement campaign for Crypto.com that debuted in the US during the Super Bowl featured Matt Damon as a smiling face in the foreground. What is Crypto.com? Crypto.com has been operating since 2016, and their marketing efforts over the previous year have likely made it more well known to the general public. Crypto.com is an exchange that provides access to non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, crypto wallet services, and a Visa Rewards debit card. With over 10 million users across 90 nations, Crypto.com is based in Singapore. The exchange's own token, Cronus, or CRO, offers some investors a means to reduce transaction costs for cryptocurrencies. For novice or intermediate crypto investors, Crypto.com can offer a comparatively simple approach to handle cryptocurrency holdings. This video is not sponsored by Crypto.com. Has Matt Damon misled the public? Actor Matt Damon appeared in the Fortune Favors the Brave Crypto.com commercial at the start of 2022, in which he made the case that the world was about to become divided into two distinct groups, both proponents and critics of cryptocurrency. He supported the former and characterized them as courageous individuals with an eye for detail. He also implied that the others were blind and had missed an opportunity to make an investment that would soon make them wealthy. The Super Bowl is without a doubt the athletic event that receives the most viewership in the United States each and every year. Unsurprisingly, a huge number of people saw and believed the advertisement Damon was in. Matt Damon has experienced hostility on social media due to the latest Bitcoin meltdown. He has even been referred by users as a robber, con man, and a scoundrel. Damon's long-standing reputation as an excellent, cool-headed, and humble guy has been impacted as a result of this. He has used a tactical retreat, which he means he is no longer involved with the topic. Moreover, he should minimize his public appearances until the amount of criticism decreases. Is the crypto crash the actor's fault? Apparently, Crypto.com sought out Damon as a quote-unquote regular person far distant from technological speculation, end quote, according to claims from a British publication, to market Bitcoin to a tech-savvy millionaires. Despite this, the actor isn't exonerated of all charges because he didn't use these strategies to advance his campaign. Despite the fact that he may have been paid via Bitcoin transfer, he pocketed every dollar of this campaign with Crypto.com into US dollars, even throughout the cryptocurrency boom. In the aftermath of the cryptocurrency crisis, celebrities other than Matt Damon are now being accused of wrongdoing. Other A-list celebrities have also faced trolling and accusations of misleading fans into purchasing the unstable digital currency. A select few celebrities include Snoop Dogg, Ellen DeGeneres, Flea, and Gwyneth Paltrow, all promoting Bitcoin investments. Does fortune truly favor the brave? Obviously, Matt Damon didn't think so if he converted his cryptocurrency immediately after being paid by Crypto.com. Thank you very much for watching this new style of video here at Nerdy Dude Stuff. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on if Matt Damon purposely misled the public by selling his Bitcoin that he was paid by Crypto.com, converting to cash, and potentially causing the bear market. Once again, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on that bell notification, and liking this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Discord or Twitter. Links for that is in the description below. As always, I'm O Prius, and we'll see you next time.